welcome to our house. So this week we'll do something special. I got asked a lot about my setup, what kind of camera, what kind of light, etc. So today I will make you a tour of the setup, so come on in, and I will put something more appropriate. Hey, come here, Sissy. So you guys already know my little sous chef Sissy. Hello there.
Hello, Bear.
This little gadget here, that's what we use to film the intro. Here I have two nice 7-inch screen. Those are connected both of the cameras, so when I want to see what's happening while filming, it's pretty quick. So this is perfect for adjusting my facial expression, and I can see what I'm doing live. It's pretty cool. For the microphone here, I'm using a Schneider. No, that's a dog. Sennheiser. This is a shotgun microphone. It's the MKE600, and it's good to catch the sound all around when I'm doing the cooking, and I also use it as a voiceover, so when I go close to the microphone I sound like a radio host. When I want to know if the sound is good, oh, I like to hear the sound of my voice. Those are Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro 80 ohms. You need a preamp to run them, but it's pretty cool for video editing. This is perfect. The sound is just right spot on. Here we use a Sony A7R2. Those are very good to shoot video. There's R3 and R4, but in my opinion, for the video we are doing in 4K, this one is perfect, and it's very cheap. Well, it's cheaper than the 304. This is a really nice Rokino 35mm 1.5T. It's not F, it's T, because those are cine lens, and you have here the manual T opening, and you have the manual focus here. This camera here is sitting on a gimbal. With the Ronin gimbal, you have a nice stability. It's always level. A cool feature with this Ronin is the follow focus. This is super smooth. So here, as you can see, when Annie's filming, she just using the follow focus. Right here, you have the control here, panning, tilt, down. And this nice screen, 7-inch, is perfect to adjust the focus. Here there's an arm that you can adjust however you like it. So here, as you can see, this can be used handheld as well. So there's a great stability on the camera, and the thing can follow the subject, and it's pretty cool. So the HDMI is plugged here, going input here. It's on DC, and I split in two. One goes right there, and the other one goes on that monitor here. I put all the DC here, strap on it, so there's only one wire here and the HDMI. This tripod is on wheel, so when we want to do like hero shot or just nice panning, we don't use a battery anymore, because the battery was always failing at the wrong moment, so everything is on DC now. This is camera 1. It's the same as the other one, Sony A7R2, with the same lens, Rokino 35mm 1.5. The reason I chose to have both the same is to keep the same level of image quality on both angles. So on this one, I record the sound because this one is not moving. This one is also connected directly to DC. For the light setup, here I have one softbox in the window outside to imitate a natural light. I have another one here. This will fill the room with soft light. I'm using a lot of newer products. Those products are really good for the price. This one is 200 watts, so it's pretty powerful. Here we have a big window. When it's daytime, it's perfect, but when the light drops, all the setup was ruined. This one is compensating when the light fall down. And again, another big softbox here to compensate for that window there when the light drop. Well, I continue to control my light. And the last one here, it's a LCD panel. And this one is just to fill the light on the side of her face, so the image will be more crisp and sharp. Alright you guys, this was my setup in my home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any question about specific thing, maybe I forget something, you can hit me in the comment. If you like it, please subscribe, leave a like, and see you next week!